So personally, see, I'm a gadget freak and I love to play along with the technology. With World of Play, we basically want to connect with the consumer with an emotion. Towards the end of quarter one of 2021, we'll be releasing the new set of products which will come with whole lot of features that the consumer is now wanting to have in the products. And also we're looking at the home monitoring or the personal monitoring space. I would keep the details low right now, but over a period of time we'll be telling you more around.
Hi everyone, this is Gunjan, your tech buddy at Mr. Phone. Welcome to this brand new episode of Phonecast in 2021. So today we have a very special guest with us. He is a tech passionate guy who also happens to be the co-founder of Micromax Mobiles. But now apart from the world of smartphones, he's aiming to rule a unique set of market with his new brand, a wearable and a wireless audio brand, World of Play. So let's welcome Mr. Vikas Jain. Hi Vikas, welcome to this brand new episode of Mr. Phonecast.
Thank you.
So Vikas, to start off this conversation, people would love to hear from you what is this brand World of Play is all about and what all do you offer?
So see, with World of Play, we basically want to connect with the consumer with an emotion. It's a unique name as you would have seen, and it's all about how technology can make your life more playful. We've always thought technology to be something larger than life. We've always been fascinated with technology, but the intent at play is basically to enjoy the technology, to let the technology make the experience better. So here we are with a range of acoustic and wearable products in the World of Play, and in coming times we'll also be launching other verticals.
All right. What really inspired you to get into this wearable and audio category products?
So personally, see, I'm a gadget freak and I love to play along with the technology. And I've always tried to demystify the technology for myself as a consumer. It's very easy to get feared from the technology actually, right? And as I just said, at times we believe technology is larger than life. The intent with every technologist is to use the technology to make your life better. So the consumer actually does not care about technology.
Right.
He cares about the experience, the better experience that the technology brings in. So in the IoT world, when more and more of the world is getting connected, when more and more consumers are getting connected, when more and more devices are getting connected, it is just about obvious that we should do something which should take this technology fear out and let people enjoy technology. So that was the emotion which we had when we launched together the World of Play.
Okay. Can you tell our viewers more about the product lineup? Like what all products does World of Play offers?
So today at World of Play, we have a whole range of acoustics and wearable products. Products like smartwatch,
All right.
products like ANC headphones. So this product comes with practically all kind of sensors. You basically put the product on your head, touch the cup and the audio mutes, you take it out, it again mutes, you put it back in, it starts again.
Right.
And obviously it comes with active noise cancellation. So similarly, we have the TWS. So
The wireless one.
the wireless buds as the consumer sees it. So these are the
All
buds.
right. Yeah.
So smart, sleek case, runs you through, good battery backup. And in the coming times, we are also exploring the options of home entertainment and home monitoring. So that's going to be something that we'll be launching towards the fag end of the year 2021.
How did you come up with this brand name World of Play?
As I said, it was all about emotional connect. The only thing that ruled our mind when we were thinking about going into this category is the playfulness of the technology and how can we make consumer connect with that playfulness, and hence play was synonymous to the suggestions that everyone gave in.
Right. Your brand World of Play is mainly into wireless audio and wearables. So, how would you like to distinguish your products from your competitors?
So again, it's a large TAM we are talking about, 135 crore of population with products like wearable and products in the acoustic range has preference of practically everyone. I mean, it's kids even about 5 years of age have now started using technology like the back of their hand. I mean, a lot of times there is my son who's in standard 9, he teaches me a lot of things when it comes to the digital world. I mean, he adopted the Zooms and the all the other platforms much faster than what we adopted. So the TAM is large enough. The brands are there. Fortunately or unfortunately, their long-term experience and their long-term conviction on the category will make them continue to be in the industry. However, I personally feel a lot of so-called brands actually use this as an opportunity, and for them, it could be a category A in 1 year and a category B in the second year, or a category C in the third year. So those are pure opportunist play. They would come, they would go. So while there'll be 100 brands who might come in, there also will be 200 brands that will go out.
All right. What do you think is the need of the hour for the customer when it comes to audio category?
So yeah, it's actually, the answer would have been very different if you were talking in February 2020.
Right.
But now when we're talking in January 21, I think what people have realized is that the audio gear or the audio equipment does not only mean enjoying your music. While yes, the primal importance remains for enjoying the music, there's a lot more that you can do with those devices. Stuff like, we all had so many calls from our office when we were working from home. Fortunately, we've started working from office back again now.
Yeah.
But when we were working from home, there were so many calls, so many video calls happening. So you could just be wearing, one of the products and taking the calls from there. Now then, when you start doing that, you realize what all do you need from the product. It is not only a loud audio, it's not only a great bass, but it is also clarity of the audio. It's also about the wear convenience of the product. It's also about the battery life of the product. So the set of preferences of the consumer has really matured in the last 12 months.
Yes.
So the consumer has become more aware about how to use these products. He's become more demanding about what he wants from the product. But at the same time, his budgets are still there. Right? So he really wants a great package and at a greater, nicely priced.
Okay. We have heard that your brand offers a very unique service, play at home service. Could you just explain it a little bit for our viewers?
Yeah. So in my last about 15 years of experience, one thing which has been central to my thinking has been the convenience of the customer. Now, this convenience is offered in the products. That's one side of it. But at the end of the day, any product is an assembly of 100 or 1,000 electronic components.
Right.
So as a brand, while we would always love to have 100% of our products without any defect, it is but natural that some products will develop a defect. Now, consumer also understands this.
Right.
He does not mind a product going bad. However, what he wants is a service, after sale service, which is equitable to his product experience. Now, when we take so much pride in every product that we develop, it is equally important for us for the after sale service also. So what we have launched in India specifically is Play at Home service, where in case any of your Play product goes malfunction or starts developing any problem, you just have to contact the Play call center. They will log in your complaint. A reverse pickup will be arranged from your house or office as you would like it. It will go back to the Play service center. Over there, it is checked, and within 48 hours of being received, either it is repaired or replaced and again couriered back to your place. So you don't have to stand in any of the queues at the service centers. You don't have to wait for your time. You don't have to set up your convenient schedule to make an entry of the service center into your schedule. Everything happens by your convenience. That's what is Play at Home service.
So that's really a very unique service we are hearing here, no?
Yes, it is also because we have very, very, very less fault rate, and honestly, we can offer this service.
Because we would also like you to tell us more about your upcoming products, in the wireless audio and the wearables as well. What are you planning for 2021?
Sure. So, our design team in Pune, they are working hard on bringing up the new versions of the product. As I said, the consumer preferences have really, really evolved in the last 12 months, and we are completely cognizant of the new requirements, and we believe they are genuine requirements. So the design team has gone ahead and done a one up on the previous design, and towards the end of quarter one of 2021, we'll be releasing the new set of products, which will come with whole lot of features that the consumer is now wanting to have in the products.
Alright.
So there'll be a range of neckbands, there'll be a range of the buds, there'll be a range of headphones which will be coming in. That's on the acoustic side. On the wearable side, there'll be new set of watches. I think with the pandemic, what has happened is people just want to have their body temperature also on their watch. So
Exactly.
that's come up as a primal requirement. Obviously, the previous designs did not support that. So the design team has gone ahead and upgraded the design. So there'll be new set of watches which shall be released. And also, as I briefly touched before, we'll be venturing into the home entertainment space. We believe that our design team is now very well versed with the consumer interests and consumer likes. So that's something we would like to bring in the speakers as well. So there'll be range of sound bars, there'll be range of outdoor audio speakers that shall be coming in. And also we're looking at the home monitoring or the personal monitoring space.
Okay.
I would keep the details low right now, but over a period of time, we'll be telling you more around that.
Apart from all of this, are you planning anything in the IoT and the smart home products as well?
Yes. So as I said, the whole initiative at play has been IoT
Right.
and the connected devices. So as we move inside the home, then we'll be looking at the other multiple products or appliances which are there in your house, and how do we enable them on the smartness.
All right. What is your prediction for the future of TWS market in India?
Interesting. So we've seen a lot of statistics coming in about how explosive has the growth of the wireless buds been, and that's quite so because in the pandemic we were all indoors, long calls, so it offers a big ease of usage. Having said that, in India we have also seen one unique phenomena is people love the form factor of a neckband also, something which hangs around your neck, because at the mass level, people still feel that the buds as a form factor, they fear losing it while
Yeah.
wearing it, right?
Right,
It might
right.
come off and I might not know it.
That's very
And
important.
so people like the neckband because it's just hanging around your neck. You just put the bud in your ear when the call comes in, take it out when it is not there.
Exactly.
While on the bud side, either it is in your ear or in the box. But in ear, if you're trying to do multiple things, it might just pop out without you realizing it. And when you realize it, you never know where it is gone. So it'll be interesting, but it's very heartwarming to see a consumer taking up the new form factors with so much delight. It's impressive. It's very encouraging.
All right. So in 2021, are you targeting any specific audience? As in, I mean, the mid-range users and the high-range users.
So
or
for
something?
us, TG is not dependent on the pricing. TG for us is youth, which is always very audacious and demanding. So they are one of the early torchbearers of a new tech. So the early adopters of a new tech. Also, at the same time, they are very clear about what they want. So they do not compromise on the requirements basis what the brand is offering, but they're clear what they want and they would like to choose a device which actually meets their requirements. So it's a very interesting and a very challenging teaching, but that's what keeps us on our toes.
And how soon we can expect the upcoming products of World of Play? How soon? Like,
So towards the end of quarter one or early part of the second quarter of the calendar year, the Play products should be designed in India, made in India, and made for India.
all right, that's something we would be waiting for. Vikas, can you please ask our viewers to subscribe to our channel?
Hey guys, welcome on the show. Please subscribe to Mr. Phone channel. And we at Mr. Phone, they bring about this great interviews, information, talking to different founders, different key stakeholders of the companies, and I'm sure that's something that you'll love to watch out.
Thank you so much for your precious time. It was a pleasure to talk to you and know more about the world of play. So guys, this was all in today's Phonecast episode. We will be coming back with lots more amazing tech videos just for you. Till then, you stay tuned to Mr. Phone and keep watching our awesome tech videos. Thank you.